Hello everybody, Walton Conover here, out in Columbus, Ohio, speaking at Ohio Funeral Director Association. And while I was attending the booth, a funeral director came up and he was asking me that he followed my process on handling negative reviews. And even he went through that steps, what else can he do about it? So basically the steps are 3 steps. Whenever you get a negative review, step 0 is to make sure you calm down first. Go grab a drink of water, come back or sleep on it before you respond to it right away. So that's step 0. Step 1 is the reason they left a negative review is they want to be heard. So what you want to do is right away, right after you cool down, is to reach out to them, call them up, just to make sure that hopefully it's miscommunication, you're able to make them happy again. Then they will go back and move it up. If you're able to make them happy, now they will go back and move it up to 5-star or take down the negative review. And at the same time, what you might want to do is, for example, with Yelp, is to message them so that way you're documenting paper trail that you did indeed reach out to them. And then step 2 is if they won't budge, they won't take down the negative review, or you're just not able to make them happy, or they forgot to move it up to 5-star, or it's a fake review. And then step 2 is when you need to go in and leave a public comment. Public comment is very critical, that your response to it will be right underneath their negative review. So that way people know your side of the story. But with that is, please do not start a war, right? Basically, you just want to let people know your side of the story. And then step 3 is all these platforms, now you get to hit the little red flag, you get to flag it. By flagging it, now you get to put in description with Yelp, with Google, for example, why you think this is not a legit review. So typically, if you follow these steps, high chance that Google or Yelp, for example, will take down the negative review. But what if they don't take down the negative review? That's the question in front of the funeral director, is there's nothing you can do about it, right? So the overall strategy here is, now your majority, if you have a lot of positive reviews, you got to continue to get a lot of positive reviews. You want to bury, right, bury the negative reviews. So overall, if you have a lot of positive reviews, having a few negative reviews will not damage your business. Actually, it will help you with your business, because not most of us do trust 5-star reviews, right? If your business only 5 stars, it's these days people don't trust it as much, versus if you have like a 4.5 stars, 4.6, 4.7 star. So overall, if you do get negative review and you follow the process I just outlined, beyond that, there's nothing much you can do. You just want to make sure you're continuing to get a lot more positive reviews to wash out the negative review. So if you need questions, feel free to reach out to me.